back to Super Shopper. It's an incredibly hot afternoon here in Chennai today, and I had decided before going on the break that the next shop that I go to must have an AC inside. And look at where we are. We are here at Mega Mart. So let me tell you, the best place where you bachelors can buy some clothes. Follow me. So after you've set up your house in Thiruvanmiyur and you've bought all the essentials, the next thing that will come to your mind would be what to wear. Now you'd need something to wear for your house, you need something to wear for your office, and you would not want to shuttle between a casual store and then a store that gives you formal dresses. It's better if you have one place where you can buy everything at once, right? That's why we have Mega Mart. Now there are three good things about Mega Mart. One, that they have offers running all the time. It amuses me. Their policy, it's always either X% off or they have something free with something. The second thing, it's very close to any place in Thiruvanmiyur. No matter where you stay, it's at a stone's throw distance. And the third thing is that the collection that they have, it's of very good quality. But if you don't want to go, if you're like me and if you don't want to go with a striped or a very colorful formal, what you can do is you can pick something like this. You have a very good material here. This is a plain bluish shirt. You can go for something that is off-white. And in Mega Mart, you can also pair it up with a very fanciful blazer or a suit. Again, as I mentioned, they have offers on these things. So you don't really need to bother about it. You can come here, your budget would be kept in mind, because they always have some kind of, they have something like a 3x3 get 4 with this, and you can also mix it up. You can mix it up with the kind of trousers that you have, you can mix it up with different shirts, blazers, all of that. Now, considering that you are a bachelor who's working in an IT field, you would need to mix up your dresses. There's not really, I feel bad for you guys because there's not really much choice you have considering what you can wear. You have to wear a formal to office every day. Where you can, just style up yourself a bit is by buying a different collection of ties. Now, you have a lot of choice here. You have different colors, and the best part is it all fits in a budget of say about 200 to 500, which is a very good investment. For the regular office goer, Mega Mart is the ideal place to be. You have a very good collection of wallets and belts apart from the usual collection of clothes. And this place is not just for fancy wear. You also have something as basic as a towel here. I mean, to be honest, this is a personal opinion. A couple of weeks back, I was searching places for a towel and I couldn't find anything anywhere. And I just decided to just walk into Mega Mart and see for myself if I would find a towel. I didn't expect to find a towel here because I thought it was just a clothing store. The first floor of Mega Mart is dedicated to casual wear. Cool t-shirts from rugged speed and denims are what you find here. I caught up with the store manager to find out more about the attractive offers. Without wasting any more time, let me catch up with Mr. Johnson here, who is the store manager of Mega Mart in Thiruvanmiyur. So sir, first of all, you must have hit a jackpot with all these offers throughout the season, and your shop is so close to the bachelors. What is the fun behind it? How come you give discounts and offers throughout the season? What is it?
So actually the Mega Mart is run by Arvind Brands. It's our own brands. Okay. So normally we offer mega brands, mega savings to the customers. Actually all the apparels what we have here, we produce it. So we'll give the best discount and the best quality to the customers.
Okay, and how is the response here? Because 90% of all the bachelors in Chennai, most of them are in Thiruvanmiyur or Kottivakam, around this area. So how's the response here?
So the response is very marvelous because we will get very good sales because we get the regular customers because they like our service and they like the quality of the garments they like. That speaks a lot.
Okay, so just tell me something, just a bit of quick math here. So if I come to this place and I buy one formal shirt and one formal pant with a tie, how much would it cost me normally outside at MRP and how much would it cost me here?
Suppose it's costing outside 3,000 bucks, whereas you get here 1,800, 1,700.
Alright, so one set I can buy for
Yeah.
1,800. That's what you're
Yes,
saying.
that's
That's
the same.
very cheap. So you get good quality because all this is ruggers and Arrow and all of that. So they don't compromise on the quality at all, and you get all of that for half the price, which is actually very, very good. And if you are a bachelor who's trying to find something cool to gift your woman on the big 14th of February or on her birthday, and you don't want to search the entire city for that, then Megamart is the ideal place for you to be. When I was a kid and my dad was working in the defense unit, he was working in ordnance factory, we had access to something called an army canteen. Now what would happen in the army canteen is you would have access to everything that is there. They had a huge collection of almost everything, and you would get all of that at a cheaper rate. Now Megamart for me has been a very good substitute of that, because they not only have clothes, they have towels, they have absolutely anything that you would need. They also have a very good collection of bags here. Now these bags, they have travel bags that you can use if you're traveling abroad or if you're going on an adventure. And they also have bags that you can use for keeping your laptops or notebooks or even cameras. Megamart has a very good collection of clothes. In fact, it has a very good collection of almost everything. But I was a bit disappointed with the collection of casual wear that they have. Although it has got funny lines written on it, all these t-shirts, but they lack in the variety. But having said that, Megamart is a one-stop shop for everyone who stays, all the bachelors who stay around you. Right now I take a very small break. I'll join you in a short while.